Mumtaz Qadri, born in 1985 in Rawalpindi, Pakistan. He served as an elite police commando assigned to protect the governor of Punjab, Salman Taseer Lanatullah. But in 2011, Qadri made a decision that would change his life and the nation forever. He said he acted out of deep love for the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ after Taseer's comments about the blasphemy law. For some, he was a criminal. For millions of others, he became a hero, a man who sacrificed everything for his belief. When he was arrested, he showed no regret, only peace. When he smiled in court and recited Durood Sharif, even his enemies were silenced. In 2016, Mumtaz Qadri was executed, but his story didn't end there. His funeral was attended by hundreds of thousands of people who saw him not as a man of violence, but as a man of unshakable faith. Today, his name lives on as a symbol of devotion, sacrifice, and Ishq Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Mumtaz Qadri, a man who gave his life for love of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.